Today we're going to be looking at Dawn soap. Now this is that soap that's always advertised with the ducks that are covered in oil, and this stuff really is great at removing oil. So I just wanted to see what it looks like under the microscope when we add oil to this. But first, let's see what it looks like on its own. So I'll add a drop here and we'll get to the microscope. Alright, so we are now under the microscope, and on the right side here we have the slide. It's kind of dirty. On the left side we have the Dawn soap. And so we're going to be moving into that soap just to kind of look at what it looks like on its own before any interaction. Now this soap is one of the more clear things I've ever seen under a microscope. Usually they have little debris particles in there or microplastics or something in there, but this is pretty clean. But you know, it is soap. This black dot here, that's just a bubble. Anyway, this is what the Dawn soap looks like. Now I'm going to add oil and we will show you what happens. Alright, so I have dipped the tip of a knife into oil and I'm going to mix it with the Dawn soap. So on the right we have the Dawn soap and on the left we have the oil. And let's see what happens. Right away we can see something is happening. Oh, I can't scroll down, so I'm going to scroll up here. And we can see this flow from the Dawn soap flowing into the oil, and so it's even mixing, which is interesting because oil doesn't typically mix with much of anything. So when you put oil and water together, then they separate, and that's because the hydrophobic bonds within the oil repel the water, and so it forms little water droplets or little beads that don't like to mix with the oil, and it won't mix. But here, let me find a better section, but here we can kind of see that Dawn soap flowing into the oil, and this is what causes the oil to be broken up with Dawn soap. If you look close here, you can see it flowing from the top right corner to the left, or the bottom left. Anyway, I know it's just soap and oil, but this is really interesting to me, and I hope you found it as interesting as I did. And with that, then please remember to subscribe and comment below what you would like to see under the microscope. And I hope to see you on the next video. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.